Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to create a business product angle adjustment using puppet warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place a business product image on the canvas. I pause because product angles affect perception. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I go to Edit and choose Puppet Warp. I carefully add pins to key product corners. I don't rush. I slightly rotate one edge to improve alignment. I add another pin to lock the base. Business visuals need precision. I zoom in to check distortion. Everything stays clean. I gently adjust the top angle. The product now feels more premium. I apply the warp